Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use NYC public transportation. First, let's talk about payment. You'll primarily use either a Metro card or Omni to pay your fare. The subway and bus systems are extensive, covering all 5 boroughs. We'll cover how to choose the right fare for your trip, whether it's a single ride or an unlimited pass. Getting around New York City is simpler than you think with these tips. The Metro card is a physical card you can buy and refill at any subway station, vending machine, or local retailer. For a modern approach, Omni allows you to simply tap your contactless credit card, debit card, or smartphone. Omni also has a great feature. Once you make 12 trips within a 7-day period, any additional rides are free for the rest of that week. This is a convenient way to save money. Navigating the subway is straightforward with the help of maps available in stations and online. Pay attention to uptown or downtown directions and local versus express trains. For buses, look for the route number and destination displayed on the front. Many excellent transit apps provide real-time arrival information for both subways and buses, helping you plan your journey efficiently and avoid long waits. Don't be afraid to ask for directions if you're unsure. To make your public transportation experience even better, try to travel during off-peak hours if possible, especially on weekdays, to avoid the busiest crowds. Always keep an eye on your belongings and be aware of your surroundings for a safe trip. And speaking of making things easy, if you're looking to simplify your meal prep, check out the link in the description for some fantastic leak-proof containers, along with other great deals we've found for you. Enjoy your travels.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.